what day it is? Gardening day. Today, we are going to decorate my garden with different saplings of flowering plants. We have so many flower saplings. We need to calculate the number of saplings we have for each type of the flower. That will help us to arrange these saplings in the garden equally. But what would be a good way to organize so many different kinds of flowers? I know! We can use images for that. We can represent each sapling with an image of the flower it will yield. Let's try this out. First, we will create a table. We will use a column to show the type of flowers. The other column is for the number of saplings. We have our table in place. Now let's start putting images of flowers on the table to find out how many saplings we have. How many saplings do we have now? It's getting difficult to count now since there are numerous saplings. This works perfectly for smaller numbers like 6 lily saplings. But is there a way by which we can reduce the number of images to represent with the total number of flowers remaining the same? I know what we can do. We can use one flower to represent more than one sapling. Let's make one flower represent 4 saplings. So now we can fill our table by using this representation. 4 roses, 4 roses, 4 roses, 4 roses, 4 roses, 4 lilies. Oh no, we are left with 2 lilies. What do we do now? In this situation, we can show half the image of a lily as 2 is half of 4. So, let's put an image of a lily there. Now, we should move to mogra. So, 4 mogras, 4 mogras, 4 mogras, and we are left with 1. So, as 1 is quarter of 4, we can represent it by a quarter image of mogras. Here you go. This representation of data through images or symbols is a pictograph. Step 1 completed. Now, can you guess what step 2 will be? Turning these images into numbers. So we know a whole image represents 4 saplings. Half image represents 2 and finally a quarter image does 1. So let's put these values in our table. So after changing the images into numbers, this is what we have got. All we have to do is add these numbers. So we have 5 times 4 in the rows column, which is 20. So I have 20 saplings of roses. For lily, we have 4 plus 2 saplings, which is 6 saplings. And finally, we have mogra. Can you solve this one? Which is the correct answer? 12, 13, 20 or 10? Yes, the correct answer is 13. So now we know the exact number of saplings we have. Let's have a quick recap to see how we found these numbers. So first, we created a pictograph to present the number of saplings we have. Then, we shrunk it down by making one image to represent multiple saplings. And finally, we converted the images to numbers. Finally, I can plant these saplings in my garden. Meanwhile, you can keep track of glasses of water you drink per day in a week using a pictograph. And remember, we stay curious.